Welcome to the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno, where elegance meets innovation and performance. This compact hatchback is designed to offer the perfect blend of style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. In this presentation, we'll delve into the Baleno's dynamic exterior design, advanced interior features, safety technologies, and impressive performance. Get ready to experience the future of driving. Let's begin. Exterior design. The 2025 Baleno showcases a striking and modern exterior with iconic Suzuki grille with a bold new design, sleek LED headlights and LED DRLs, stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, aerodynamic rear spoiler, a sculpted, aggressive side profile. This contemporary design ensures the Baleno stands out wherever you go. Interior and comfort. Step inside the Baleno, where luxury meets practicality. Premium fabric upholstery with contrasting stitching. Spacious cabin for up to 5 passengers. 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Push-button start and smart keyless entry. Automatic climate control with rear AC vents. Every journey becomes more enjoyable with features that combine style and convenience. Safety and driver assistance. The 2025 Baleno comes equipped with top-tier safety features. Suzuki Safety Package. Dual airbags and side curtain airbags. Reverse parking sensors and camera. Hill hold assist. Anti-lock braking system ABS with EBD. Rear seatbelt reminder. With these advanced features, the Baleno prioritizes the safety of you and your passengers. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Baleno offers 1.2L petrol engine 90 HP, 113 Nm torque. 1.2L dual-jet petrol engine 90 HP, 113 Nm torque. 5-speed manual transmission. 5-speed automated manual transmission AMT. Front-wheel drive. With these powertrain options, the Baleno delivers an efficient and smooth driving experience. Performance capabilities. With its lightweight construction, advanced suspension setup, electronic power steering, the Baleno ensures a balanced driving experience. 0 to 100 km/h, 10.9 seconds. Top speed, 170 km/h. Fuel economy, up to 23.87 km/h. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno is available in 4 exciting trim levels. Sigma, starting at 7.99 lakh rupees per $10,500 USD. Delta, starting at 8.99 lakh rupees per $11,800 USD. Zeta, starting at 9.99 lakh rupees per $13,200 USD. Alpha, starting at 10.99 lakh rupees per $14,300 USD. Each trim is crafted to offer distinct features that enhance your driving experience. Experience the perfect combination of style, safety, and performance. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki